yes, all the boys and girls out there, let me tell you that here we are celebrating World Heart Day. And of course we care for you and we want कि आपका heart रहे बहुत ही healthy. And the most important thing to keep your heart healthy is that you should not smoke. Yes, ladies and boys and girls out there, आपको यहाँ क्या करना है? We have an ashtray over here, which is the world's largest ashtray. जहाँ आपको आगे आना है, and you have to commit, actually commit that you will not smoke anymore further. So the thing is कि यहाँ पे सबसे बड़ी ashtray है, यहाँ पे आपको आगे आना है and fill करना है ये कार्ड, जिस पे आपको commit करना है कि आप healthy रहेंगे, आप एक्टिव रहेंगे और आप स्ट्रेस फ्री रहेंगे. सो दिस इज फॉर योर सेल्फ ओनली, दिस इज फॉर योर बेनिफिट. सो प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड, फिल दिस फॉर्म एंड ऑफ कोर्स we have lots and lots of things to entertain you. So please come forward. जल्दी से आगे आ जाए. All the people who can hear my voice, I would like to invite all of you to please gather near the Happy Heart Day activity. तो जल्दी से यहाँ आ जाए. And here we want you to be healthy. So any of you smoke? No, very good, very well. And you know what we are doing here? It's not only for smokers. We want people to be healthy. And to be healthy, it's not कि आपको अगर smoke पीते तो smoke करना ही छोड़ना चाहिए. There are various things like you should be stress free. Like in college we have a lot of stress. पढ़ाई की वजह से हो सकता है. सो वी हैव स्ट्रेस, तो स्ट्रेस को आपको हटाना है. फिर आपको आगे आए एंड यू व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज आपको प्लेस लेना है यहाँ पे एंड यू हैव टू टिक मार्क एक्चुअली क्या लेंगे. प्लेस, गेट एक्टिव, ईट हेल्दी, यू विल क्विट स्मोक. तो आपको ये फिल करना है एक्चुअली. एंड आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज आप अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी यहाँ बुलाएं बिकॉज वी हैव द वेरी नोन आरजे विद अस, अपार शक्ति. सो यहाँ पे होंगे बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग गेम्स, बहुत ही मजा आने वाला है. तो मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी जो यहाँ मौजूद है वो फटाफट से अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी यहाँ बुला ले बिकॉज हम नहीं चाहते कि जो मस्ती आप करने वाले हो वो आपके फ्रेंड्स मिस कर दे. तो जल्दी से यहाँ पे अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी ले आओ प्लीज. आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू प्लीज इन्वाइट योर फ्रेंड्स बिकॉज यहाँ होने वाली है बहुत सारी मस्ती, बहुत सारा फन.
Okay guys, 92.7 Big FM, so that's RJ Apar Shakti. I want you to come little closer if you can. Hello, check.
I told him to take Ranjit away. He's taken him.
Guys!
Hi guys, 92.7 Big FM, that's RJ Apar Shakti. Okay, what we're gonna do is, before we start off with the entire gig, I want you guys to form a little like semi-circle kind of a thing, right? It should look like something is happening here. Okay, so this is like world's largest ashtray. What we're doing is today we want people to quit smoking. I don't know if you smoke or not. Do you smoke? Good, you don't. Very good. You shouldn't start smoking rather for that matter. Why we are here is we want you to quit smoking because it's like World Heart Day. Billion Hearts Beating Happy Heart Fest powered by Johnson & Johnson and Apollo Hospital. So 92.7 Big FM is the radio partner and okay, VJ is coming, RJ is already here. Do we have a PJ Queen here? Who is the PJ Queen out there? Every gang has a PJ Queen.
I say the worst.
Avni? Avni?
I come out with the worst.
That is what we want. That is what we want. That is what I'm saying. No, VJ is there, RJ is there. We want a PJ Queen. Come on. Okay, what is the PJ of the day?
Okay, I said this one. There's this girl in my class. Her name is Gaza.
Ghazal?
Yeah. And okay, mind you, my jokes are inspired from Praful from Khichdi, okay? So the teacher calls out, the attendance and she's like, who's Ghazal? And I tell my friend, who is it? Gaani leta galti se. Yeah, that's the kind of jokes I come up with.
Nice. Bade log. Yeah, Khichdi. Thank you so much. Okay. There's a couple coming. Okay, are you guys going out? Hi, how are you? Are you guys brothers and sisters? Are you guys friends? What are you?
Sir, we are only friends and
आपकी फ्रेंड रुकी नहीं रही है?
actually sir, yes, sir, working in college and she has to meet teacher.
क्या करते हो तुम?
मैं कर रहा political science.
Political science में. What year are you in?
Sorry?
What year are you in? कौन से साल में?
सर मैं फर्स्ट ईयर कर रहा हूँ. फर्स्ट ईयर political science.
Okay, do you smoke? Smoke करते हो तुम?
No sir.
नहीं करते हो, बहुत अच्छा करते हो. देखो ऐसा है, ये जोर से पढ़ो मेरे साथ. Billion Hearts Beating
million hearts beating.
Happy Heart Fest.
Happy Hearts Fest
By Johnson and Johnson and Apollo
by
Hospital.
Johnson's and Johnson's Medical
And Apollo Hospital.
and Hospital.
ऐसा है बॉस, स्मोक नहीं करते हो, बहुत अच्छा करते हो, और शुरू भी नहीं करनी है, इसीलिए हम यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं. बड़ा सा एश हमने रखा है, ठीक है. चलो टेक इट योरसेल्फ. या Okay. See what happens is Jack and Jill बड़े हो चुके हैं. Everyone has heard of Jack and Jill went up the hill and then है ना. So Jack and Jill अब बड़े हो चुके हैं. What happens is Jack thinks कि यार Jill को मैं डेट पे लेके जाता हूँ. So he takes him out for a quiet dinner. Offers her, okay, what do you want to drink? She says, no, I don't drink. What if my dad comes to know? So he says, come on, yaar, kamal hai. I mean, if she doesn't drink, she doesn't smoke, how will things happen tonight? What should I do? So after a while, he's like, okay, do you want to smoke? Let's go out to smoke. She says, no. What if my dad comes to know? He was like, come on, yaar, ये लड़की कुछ करती नहीं है, इतनी बड़ी हो गई है. So how are things gonna happen? Scene कैसे बनेगा रात को? So he's driving back home after a quiet dinner, and he says, okay, there's a hotel on the way. Should I quickly say that? Should we spend this night here or something like that? So he gets a little skeptical, or should I say it or I shouldn't say it? He suddenly comes up and says, Jill, do you think we should spend a night at this hotel? She says, okay, fine, I don't mind. So Jack is very excited and quickly parks his car, goes to the reception, throws away his credit card like that, and takes the keys of the room and goes up at the third floor and says, Jill, come on, yeah. And then they get started and things happen. And in the morning he asks her that, tell me something, what will you say to your dad? She says, I'll tell him that to have a good time, you don't need to drink and smoke. So the moral of the story is, have fun. Have fun at night, but you don't need to drink and smoke for that. So, okay. Is there any one of you, none of you smokes? बहुत अच्छी बात है वैसे. None of you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 जनों में से कोई भी स्मोक नहीं करता है. बहुत अच्छी बात है. But of course, I need a smoker here to stub his cigarette, his or her cigarette right here, right now. Who is that? Oh, okay. Okay. Hi brother, what's your name? How are you? काफी बुझाएंगे इसमें हम. ये बताओ, तुम कॉलेज में तो नहीं लगे? कॉलेज में? तो यहाँ कैसे?
लैंग्वेज का कोर्स कर रहे हैं.
लैंग्वेज का कोर्स कर रहे हो, वेरी गुड है. तो पंकज, और इसके अलावा क्या क्या तुम्हारा हॉबीज के, अपार्ट फ्रॉम सिगरेट? ड्रिंकिंग. अरे वाह.